How to get discovered on YouTube in 2020. Are you stuck in a niche where you can't grow? How to grow a YouTube channel. How to change directions from your channel. How to choose a different niche for your channel. How to make those changes without losing your subscribers. Are you a leader or a follower? What content do you need to create? What are casual viewers and how to get them? This and more we are going to discuss in this two-part series. So without losing more time, let me introduce you to the second part. How to grow your YouTube channel with social media. It's no secret, social media has taken over our lives and is no longer a place used only to keep in touch with friends and family, but is now one of the world's largest entertainment outlets. Every day, more and more people sign up for the various platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tumblr, OK, just to mention some. Currently, there are around a total of 8 billion people on Earth. According to statistics from 2019, 57% of those billions of people have access to the internet. Here's a summary of the internet statistics for 2020. There are currently over 4.33 billion active internet users worldwide. 57% of the entire world's population has internet access. And approximately 3.397 billion people are active social media users, spending a total average of 116 minutes a day on their favorite platforms. According to Statista, Facebook has 2,498 million active users. YouTube has 2,000 million active users. Instagram has 1,000 million active users. If these numbers aren't overwhelming enough, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram are currently three of the world's most popular social media platforms. YouTube has over 2 billion users, and Instagram is right on its heels with 1 billion users. Just saying. If you're watching this video, you probably have an account on any of these platforms, either as an active creator on YouTube or as a recreational user on a social media account of your own. If that is indeed the case, it only makes sense to use those platforms in order to leverage your success on the other. Do you want to grow on YouTube? Then start using those social media platforms. Open a separate social media account for your YouTube channel. To some, it might seem redundant, but there's a perfectly reasonable explanation for this. Just like the CEO of a particular brand won't publish brand-related things on their own personal account, neither should you as a YouTube creator. It's all about separating your business persona from your personal life. In some cases, you can do that, but it's better that you have a completely separate account for your channel's name. The goal of promoting your channel on YouTube through social media is to give your channel some added value that can't be done on YouTube's platform. Many things can occur outside of YouTube, as first YouTube has 2 billion users, but the world has nearly 4 billion active users. So where are those other 2 billion users? Yes, I know that you know the answers right now. Those other 2 billion users are in the social media platform, and using those duplicate your probability of growing. Use your logo, channel art as a profile picture for your YouTube-related social media profile, and make sure you use your channel name as your handle, @channel name, so your subscribers could find you easily. Most importantly, don't forget to add a link to your latest video in your bio section. Or if you don't want to complicate things too much, include the link to your homepage on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification so you don't lose any new video from us. The main point to understand here: do not stuck in some topic if you're not growing. If after being a creator for some time you find that it's time to change directions on your channel, maybe you want to shift from gaming to more vlogs, or from how-to tutorials to storytelling. Whenever you change directions on your channel, you need to be clear that you'll lose some viewers who subscribe to get the old thing you do. But as a creator, we need to continually push ourselves to learn, to grow, and to try new things, or we get more. Sometimes our stage of life changes and what we used to do on our channel just no longer interests us. How do you change directions without losing a lot of your audience? Should you start a new YouTube channel and start all over from scratch? Sometimes you hit a point where other things come to be more interesting to yourself, many times just based on where life has taken you. So I think that there's an important lesson in that we can all learn when it comes to growing an audience. I know what a lot of you desire as an active audience. You want your subscribers to watch your videos. You may have noticed something. YouTube does not deliver your videos specifically to your subscribers. YouTube delivers what it thinks those subscribers want, what those subscribers like it. It's identifying people for your videos based wholly on what those people are interested in it. Not all your subscribers will watch your videos, and not all your subscribers will follow you. So if at any moment do you desire to change direction in your channel, I'll give you a hint to not lose too many subscribers. Involve your community in what you're thinking, make them help you do the change. Communication is the key, ask them what they want, and gradually start moving to your desired point. If you're not a famous YouTuber or big, it's probably not a big risk to change direction. Explain the thing that you made and give a valid point for the change. So you are trying to create better content for them, so this is a good excuse. That's valid. Now there will be a portion of your audience that did come for you and will watch and support anything that you want to do. It won't be the majority in most cases, but many don't pay too much attention. That's just the truth. That is the truth for the majority of people on this platform that aren't famous. Okay. So at this point, I hope that you understand you can't always do what you see other people doing on YouTube. Just because they're big and they're famous, you can't think that that's what it takes to be successful. Following successful people indeed helps, but here is a question for you. Do you want to be a follower? At some point, you need to figure out what staying in your lane looks like. You need to carve out your path to success, and you have to remember that it's going to be based on what you do, not in what other famous YouTuber do. It's gonna be based on what you make people interested in it. It's gonna be based on what you become known for. So if you want to grow on YouTube, the secret to grow on YouTube that no one talks about, you need to make videos that would be interesting and would be accessible to people who doesn't know you, people who've never watched a video from you before. I want you to go into your YouTube analytics. I want you to do this for me and make a favor to yourself and this community. In the comments sections of this video, just leave a comment. If you are a YouTube content creator watching this video, go into your data and look at the last days of your last video or even the last 7 days and tell me what percentage of your views. What percentage exactly YouTube says your views came from people subscribed to your channel versus not subscribed to your channel. I will guarantee that the far majority of people are getting a good portion, more than half of their views, from people who are not subscribed to them. This is a piece of good news. The good news about that is that it's an opportunity. People who are not subscribed to you have an opportunity to become a loyal subscriber or become part of your community. They're watching your videos because they like it. Again, they can support you by watching the video so that you can get those watch time hours needed to monetize your channel. Reaching people beyond your subscriber base is going to be the norm of your channel. I'm sorry to tell you this, but active subs are something that is not going to be a reality of the current way that YouTube works and delivers videos to us. YouTube delivers videos to us not based, pay attention to this, on what we are subscribed to. YouTube delivers videos based on what we watch, how long we watch it and how often we watch it, and not just that video, but that topic. You remember when I tell you about the small channel I have, many of the videos from that channel is included in a playlist that YouTube automatically creates for the watchers, on that topic. And there is from where I get a lot of watch time in a channel with only 20 subscribers, cause the last one, the 21, it is from yesterday. YouTube's topics and classifiers are really what drives the algorithm. So you must understand this point. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. I can show you some channels with more than 80,000 subscribers, than not making any money on YouTube. I can show you some other channels with around 10,000 that are making a living from YouTube. Why this is possible? Right now it's based all on your behavior. If you look at yourself as a viewer, you know that this is the truth. What you can see in your homepage. If you look at the YouTube homepage, you will see it is based on the last things that you watched, whether you are subscribed or not. As an example, I watch videos for those guys that make videos with rudimentary tools, and the Netflix show, Money Heist. Right now my YouTube homepage is full of videos from those guys and videos from the show from Netflix, including Netflix itself, and even I'm not subscribed to any of those channels. I constantly getting videos from channels that I just haven't hit the subscribe button on, but I watched 2 or 3 of their videos in a row, or I watched a minute video from them. This happens all the time. Not with me, with all of you too. I know this is probably what you didn't want to hear. I know you probably wanted some secret to going viral overnight. It doesn't happen for the majority of people. And no formula to go viral. And go viral sometimes can be versus you. I don't want 15 minutes of glory, I want to be a solid creator. Viral success can be fleeting, slow and steady isn't sexy, but it works. There are a lot of things about this channel that on the surface doesn't look extremely good, but they work. Not getting a lot of views, if you are a small channel. This looks bad until you realize that there are views that are coming for those casual viewers versus views from your subscribers base. You rather have the views where you can compare the worth, the views that increase my watching time, or even your watching time, it comes from outside your subscribers base. Concentrate on making videos for those casual viewers. Those then don't know who you are and don't care who you are. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Make videos that people, who have no idea who you are, could watch, enjoy, share, and would engage with. In the end, the only thing that makes you successful on YouTube is not a number on your subscribers list, it is how many watchers are watching your videos. Now, before the end of the video, I have a few questions for all of you. What do you struggle with most on YouTube? What is your major consent, views, subscribers, or watch time? Let me know in the comment section, I will pick one from there and I will make a video completely dedicated to one of you. One video from the beginning to the end about your channel, and that video will be posted to the most famous social media including Facebook, Twitter, BK, Pinterest, Reddit, etc., etc. Like this video, if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome stuff here on the channel. And as always guys, thanks so very much for watching, and don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today like you. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel. We can grow together. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.